Debugging is every developer's least favorite time sink. In embedded systems, a single elusive bug can swallow hours or even days, slowing progress and draining focus from real innovation. Studies show developers spend 20–40% of their time debugging instead of building features. Enter AI-powered debugging tools. These smart assistants generate targeted tests, spot anomalies you might miss, and even trace tricky issues like buffer overflows to their root cause. Instead of manually combing through logs and breakpoints, you can now resolve problems in minutes, not hours. This lesson will explore how AI is reshaping debugging for embedded systems, helping you work faster, ship more reliable code, and keep your brainpower focused on design and development, not endless bug hunts. Debugging has traditionally been one of the most time-consuming parts of software development. In embedded systems, where hardware and software interact closely, finding the root cause of a problem can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. Developers typically spend 20–40% of their time hunting bugs, writing manual test cases, and repeating trial and error fixes just to track down elusive issues. AI drastically changes this equation. Intelligent debugging tools can automatically generate tests tailored to your codebase, covering more scenarios than a human could manually craft in the same time frame. Root cause analysis, powered by machine learning, can quickly trace patterns leading to issues like memory leaks, race conditions, or buffer overflows. By automating these repetitive tasks, AI frees developers to focus on feature design and system optimization while improving reliability and reducing costly late-stage bug fixes. Modern AI debugging tools go far beyond simple syntax checks. Automated test generation explores edge cases and stress conditions, catching potential failures that might only surface under rare, real-world conditions. Anomaly detection algorithms monitor sensor data and runtime performance, flagging behavior that deviates from expected patterns before it causes crashes or instability. Smart debugging assistants don't just highlight errors, they suggest potential root causes and offer concrete fixes, reducing the endless guesswork that plagues manual debugging. Proactive warnings are another game changer. They can alert you to unsafe memory operations, risky threading patterns, or data overflows long before they trigger system failures. This proactive, intelligent approach transforms debugging from a reactive chore into a structured, guided process, significantly boosting code quality and reducing long-term maintenance headaches. Consider a real embedded development scenario. A developer faced erratic device behavior caused by a buffer overflow in C code. Tracking down the issue manually meant scanning thousands of lines of code, checking every string operation. Instead, AI came to the rescue. By feeding the code snippet to ChatGPT, the assistant rapidly pinpointed the culprit, an unsafe strcp call that lacked proper bounds checking. The AI suggested replacing it with strncp while implementing strict buffer size limits to prevent overwriting memory. After applying the fix, the system stabilized immediately. The assistant then recommended adding targeted unit tests for string handling functions, ensuring similar bugs wouldn't slip through in future updates. This example shows how AI doesn't just solve one problem, it strengthens your coding practices for long-term reliability. In another scenario, an embedded system faced performance issues with a CPU-bound routine consuming nearly 100% of available processing time. The developer suspected inefficiencies but couldn't pinpoint them manually. An AI assistant analyzed the function and flagged redundant calculations, repeated floating point conversions, and poor use of memory access patterns. It suggested pre-computing results using lookup tables and switching to more efficient integer math for certain calculations. Once implemented, the CPU load dropped to 65%, freeing processing power for additional features and reducing energy consumption. This wasn't just a patch, it was an optimization strategy that would have taken hours or days for a human to discover through profiling and manual refactoring. AI turned what could have been a frustrating performance crisis into a quick win, proving its value as a co-pilot for embedded developers.